Let's prepare a delicious homemade chicken soup. Ingredients are black pepper, jeera, coriander seeds, ginger, garlic, onion, coriander leaves, green chilies, and chicken. First, smash together onion, ginger, garlic, all the spices, and the chicken. Now, in a pressure cooker, add some oil and onions. Toss in a small piece of cinnamon and a spoon of ghee. Next, add the smashed ginger, garlic, green chilies, chicken, turmeric, salt, and the crushed spices. Mix everything well. Add fresh coriander leaves and pour in enough water for the soup. Close the lid and let it cook until the chicken becomes soft and juicy. Once cooked, open the lid. Add a few more coriander leaves on top. Your flavorful chicken soup is ready, perfect for cold evenings or when you're feeling low. You can find this recipe in other languages too. Have a look at the description. If you liked this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to make more tasty videos.